Hello, Susiekins and Susie Queens. This is your WWE YouTube World Susie Heavyweight Champion of the world, and you can acknowledge me. I say, hey, I'm the Susie Buffet. So, welcome back to another film review today, because every Wednesday we do this forever. I don't know why, but I stick to it because my whole family, my parents and me, I was trying to lose weight, so that's why. And yeah, so let's go to that video for today. Baguette, I don't really matter because it's really soft. It is Bordeaux, so simple this. That is so delicious. So I'm mixing up this chicken rice broccoli thing to make it saucy. Alright, here goes in, and some chiffon. So see what's this. That is so delicious. That is so amazing. And that's every calcium. Because I'm amazing. Give us because I got 1 or 2 subscribers. Give us up. I want to be on TV. So that's right. So the update is I wasn't playing while I eat. And then I was while the NXT and be done. And then anything on my second channel and Aston Plus on my big channel here. And yeah, and that's you guys here. Keep us up. And that's you guys here. So thank you for watching videos. And plus, with my boy, son that has been so well. If you watching this, you can sub a like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Never miss an upload. And please, with second any post, bust me on this YouTube channel, this King YouTube channel, and it's been so please. And please share us out to family and friends. And please communicate with me. And please follow me at Facebook, Instagram, Substack, TikTok, and Twitter. And that with that, make a flowers for you. To see to see her way, to see her hoy, to see her way, and to see my boy.